The 48th example from H.C. Verma exercise of topic kinematics. Okay, so let's start. Now it is said that consider the situation of the previous problem. Okay, so in previous problem it is said that, so let's go through the previous problem. So in the previous problem it is said that the speed of swimmer with respect to water is 3 kilometer per hour and it heads in the direction theta, while water is flowing with 5 kilometer per hour and width is 500 meter. Okay, so the velocity of swimmer with respect to water is 3 kilometer per hour and making an angle theta. So if this is the swimmer and it is going like this with 3 kilometer per hour making an angle theta with respect to water, so it is 3 cos theta I cap plus 3 sin theta j cap, and this is velocity of swimmer minus velocity vector of water, which is 3 cos theta I cap plus 3 sin theta j cap. While the velocity of water is 5 km per hour, I have taken this direction as x-axis and this is y-axis. So velocity of swimmer will be equal to minus 5 I cap, 3 cos theta I cap plus 3 sin theta j cap. So the velocity of swimmer comes out to be 3 cos theta plus 5 I cap. I have taken I cap terms together and this is 3 sin theta j cap. Now this is the velocity with which the swimmer is crossing the river. Okay, and the velocity in this direction is 3 sin theta, while the displacement in this direction is 500 km the width of river. So time taken to cross the river will be equal to distance in y direction upon speed in y direction, which comes out to be 500, but this all in kilometers, so I will take 500 meter as 0.5 kilometer upon 3 sin theta. So this is 1 by 2, so it is 1 upon 6 sin theta in hour. Okay, so as the swimmer take this much time to cross the river, but swimmer is also having velocity in x direction, so finally the swimmer will drift here. So in the same time, the horizontal distance traveled, distance traveled along x-axis will be equal to speed into time, that is horizontal speed into time, sorry this is wrong, the horizontal speed into time. While you see the horizontal speed of the swimmer is 3 cos theta plus 5 into time is 1 upon 6 sin theta. And what is asked here, so the condition is we need to find the minimum distance. So first of all we have to check at what value of theta x is minimum. So for this I will differentiate x with respect to theta and equal to 0, that is condition for minima. So it will be derivative of 3 cos theta plus 5 divided by 6 sin theta, it is equal to 0. So by u upon v rule, sin theta, the denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, so 3 as it is, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus derivative of constant is 0 minus, now the numerator as it is 3 cos theta plus 5 into derivative of numerator, so 6 as it is, and derivative of sin theta is cos theta whole upon denominator ka square equal to 0. So this term will go there and becomes equal to 0, while this 6 also taken common and that becomes 0. So this comes out to be minus 3 sin square theta minus this cos theta will get multiplied here, so this becomes 3 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta equal to 0. So I will open this bracket. 3 sin square theta minus 3 cos square theta minus 5 cos theta equal to 0. And if I take minus 3 as common, so here it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 5 cos theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 according to the first trigonometric identity. So therefore what is cos theta equal to? Minus 3 by 5. So when theta is cos inverse of minus 3 by 5, then x is minimum. As now I have to substitute this value in this equation, because for cos theta equal to minus 3 by 5, x is minimum. So I will substitute it in this equation. And even I can also substitute the value of sin theta also using cos theta. I can also find the value of sin theta, that is under root 1 minus cos square theta. So it is minus 3 by 5 the whole square. So it is under root 1 minus 9 by 25. So this 25 will go there. So it becomes 25 minus 9, it's 16, and root of 16 is 4, and 25 it is 5, 4 by 5. Now what is the minimum value of x? So let's solve here. The minimum value of x we will get after substituting here 3 cos theta. So it is 3 into cos theta is minus 3 by 5 plus 5 upon 6 sin theta. So 6 and sin theta value is 4 upon 5. Now you will get it very easily. Let's say 3 3s are 9, and if you solve this, you will get the value of x, which is the minimum value. Okay, or if you want, I can solve this. So I will solve it in rough. So this is 3 3s are minus 9 by 5 plus 5, and if you solve this, 5 5s are 25. So it is 16 upon 25 divided by 6 4s are 24 upon 5. And if you solve this, you will get the answer. So this comes out to be 16 upon 24 into 5 upon 25. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, and you will get the value of x. Okay, thank you.